How to fix delayed notifications on Android. Hey guys, welcome back. If your Android notifications arrive late or only show up when you unlock the phone, it's usually due to battery or background restrictions. Let's fix this step by step. First, disable battery optimization for the apps. Go to Settings and find your app section. Tap on it. Now select the affected app. I'll just go ahead and scroll down here and let me just quickly find Instagram. Once you find it, tap on it. And then you want to go over to battery. Make sure that the battery is set to unrestricted. Don't optimize it. Then you also want to turn off data saver and background limits. For that, go back, tap on mobile data, and then tap on allow background data usage. And you can also allow data usage while data saver is on. Once that is done, you can check your notification permissions as well. Go over to notifications, tap on notification categories, and you can find different notification options here. For example, for messages, tap on it. If it's selected to silent, that might be the reason why you're not getting notifications. So tap on alert, and it should be good to go. Now you can also exclude app from your power saving mode. If your power saving mode is on, add important apps to your exceptions list, and you can update the app and system for further customization. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. See you in the next one.